Hey, what's up, guys and gals? All you Hot Wheel lovers out there. Went and bought me a whole shipper the other day. 2024 shipper. At a pretty good price. Figured I'd just show it to you. Even though you've probably seen most of them, but I'm going to show it anyway. First up, we got new for 2024. That's a Tractor wagon. Then we got an Audi RS e-tron GT. We got a Pagani Zonda R. And we got a Mod Rod. Yeah, it's like we got a little tune car here. New for 2024. Mazda RX-3. J Imports. And we got another Audi RS e-tron GT. We got a custom 72 Chevy Love pickup. It's a pretty nice looking little truck. And we got a BMW 507, little yellow convertible. And we got a Road Bandit. Road Bandit. And we got a 75 Jeep J10. I mean a 73 Jeep J10. 73. It looks pretty cool. And we got a Glory Chaser. And we got a 15 Mazda MX-5 Miata. And we got a triple decker. Not a triple decker, but a triple decker. And we got a Ford GT40. They're pretty cool looking. And we got the Mod Speeder. And we got another 67 Chevy C10. It's a pretty nice truck. And we got a little Land Rover Series 2, little surfboard in the back. And we got a McLaren Solus GT. Got a little Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Got a little Mighty K. Got a little skateboard in the back. We got another little DeLorean here. And we got the Roger Dodger Leap Year Special. Got a little Honda CB750 Cafe Racer. Another little 87 Dodge D100. And we got the 71 El Camino. That's pretty sweet right there. And we got a little 73 Honda Civic. Compact Kings. 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. 4-door. And we got a Greenwood Corvette. 76 Greenwood. Then we got a little GMC Hummer EV. Nice purple. Another new for 2024, a Jaguar MK1. Ain't too bad. Then we got the old Ultimate T-Rex Transport. I'm not a big fan of them animal cars. New for 2024, 25 Ram 1500, 4-door. We got a little Pagani Zonda R. New for 2024, 87 Audi Quattro. You got a custom auto, whatever that thing is. I guess it looks kind of like a Dodge. And we got another 87 Quattro. And we got a Cadillac Project GTP Supercar, which is also a new for 2024. And another leap year Roger Dodger. And we got a Nissan Skyline RS. Pretty nice car. And we got another Nissan Skyline in the green color. Purple and the green. It's pretty neat. And we got the 75 Jaguar, little convertible. Audi's Pontiac Aztek Custom, new for 2024 also. A new truck, new for 2024, the Terra Tractal. And we got a Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. This one's black. And we got another one of them autos. Another one of them hypercar Cadillacs. Another one of them 23 Ram 1500s. Got a little 57 Jeep. And we got one of them spinner cars, flipping fast. Fidget spinner. And we got another one of them Chevy pickups. Another one of them Audi cars. Another one of them mod speeders. Audi RS e-tron green color. And we got a Land Rover Series 2 surfboard. Got the Glory Chaser again. Get the little Mazda. The little custom 72 Chevy again. I want to say Mazda. And we got the Mad Mike Drift Attack. And we got the little Fiat 500. We got little Mazda Miata black. We got the custom 68 Camaro, which I think is pretty neat. It's kind of like one of them Mad Max cars. And we got the Jaguar MK2 again, or whatever. Yeah, we got a Ford F-150 Lightning. They got it in the red this time. I think I like the red better than the black. Yeah, we got a 67 Camaro. What kind of funky designs on it. And we got a little Volkswagen T2 pickup, which I think is pretty neat. And we got the Malayan Solus GT again. And we got the 92 Honda Civic. We got an Aston Martin 1963. Goldfinger. It's pretty neat. Got some nice wheels on it. And we got another 73 Jeep. And we got the GT Scorcher. Kind of like an off version of the mod speeder in it. Then we got the Ice Charger. Fast and the Furious. And we got little $87 D100 again. And then we got the Lane Lowrider. It's got a special feature. And that's all of the cars. 72 cars what come in the shipper here. But if you notice one thing, there wasn't a TH or a Super TH. Yeah. Don't really know. Like I said, this thing look like it's been opened. I guess somebody probably got them. Put some different cars in there. You know, that's my luck. But like I say, it was cheap, so I can't complain. I got some nice cars out of it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and we'll see you later.